This is all the components minus the graphics card. I'm still waiting for the graphics card. We've got our MSI motherboard, MPG X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi, Corsair RMCs RM850 850 watt modular power supply, a Corsair 680X RGB smart case. It's a bit wider than your normal case. What else do I have? An iCUE by Corsair H150i Elite Capellix CPU cooler, some extra fans by Corsair again, Crucial Ballistix gaming memory. I was gonna get DDR4 3600, but I opted for DDR4 3200. With this, I didn't have to wait 2.5 weeks for the memory. CPU is a AMD Ryzen 5000 series 5950X. Also got two Samsung 970 EVO Plus 1TB M2 SSD drives. So including the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 Ti that's coming on Monday. Today's the Friday. This is the new setup. My existing Z820, not Z820, Z800 is on its last legs. Well, actually it's the graphics card that's on its last legs. The Z800 has 3 6-pin GPU power supplies. The graphics card I got, AMD RX 480, requires an 8-pin power supply. Whenever I turn up any graphics card to higher than medium, the whole system crashes because the graphics card can't get enough power. There is a fix. It's a dual 6-pin PCIe to an 8-pin PCIe, which is on order, but it's coming from China, and no one in the country has any. I haven't seen anyone selling them actually. All these components should provide a decent system for me to play games, do my work, etc. etc. So what do we have? We got Crucial Ballistix gaming memory, 32 gig kit, 2x16 gig modules, DDR4 3200, 1.35 volt UDIMM. It says engineered for speed, optimized for Intel and AMD systems. Okay. Two Samsung 1TB 970 EVO Plus NVMe M2 SSD, read speed 3.5 gig, which is faster, I guess. Samsung SSD. For more detailed warranty and product information, please visit Samsung. That's those two. The 64 gig memory. Got a Ryzen 9 5950X 16 core 32 thread processor. It's actually slightly slower than the 7 series for gaming, but I need it for my workstation work, which is editing and graphics design. There's that one. Got 3 120mm fans, RGB. Hopefully that should connect to the case, which is also RGB. MSI X570 gaming Wi-Fi. Bought it off Amazon. They stuck the shipping label here, which were in the box. And it's got performance, core boost, 2x CPU power, 45 amp, 540 watt maximum power delivery, Lightning Gen 4, AMD Turbo USB, Mystic Light, it's RGB as well, pre-installed I/O shielding. Cooling, extended heatsink design, frozen heatsink design. supports 2nd and 3rd gen Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, and 2nd gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics desktop processors, socket AM4. Hopefully I don't need to flash this to get the CPU away. It's a Corsair RM series RM850, fully modular. And Corsair CPU cooler. This is what got me all hyped up about. I've never used liquid cooling, and last time I actually built a computer was about 20 years ago. Yeah, actually exactly 20 years ago. And let's see how this goes. I'll be assembling all these in a new video soon. If you want to be alerted, hit the subscribe button